In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button sound effect in Wix. For anyone looking to enhance their website's interactivity, adding sound effects to buttons can be an engaging element that captivates your audience. So let me guide you through the process, step by step, to ensure you can easily incorporate this feature on your Wix website. First, we'll need to start by going to your Wix website. Open your preferred web browser, navigate to Wix, and log into your account. If you haven't created a site yet, you may need to choose one of your site templates. It's crucial to be in the Wix editor to proceed with adding sound effects to your buttons. Next up is preparing your sound file. The sound you choose should be a short clip, ideally an MP3 or WAV file that's under 2 seconds. The brevity ensures that the sound effect is quick and doesn't disrupt the user's experience on your site. Once you've chosen a suitable sound clip, the next step is to upload your audio file to the Wix Media Manager. This is your repository for all the media files you use on your Wix site, making it a convenient place to store your sound effect. Now let's move over to the Wix editor. Look for the section titled Media on your Wix editor dashboard. Click on it to open your media options. This step is crucial to ensure you have the ability to add and manage your media files in the Wix environment efficiently. Once you're in the Media section, click on the option labeled Upload Media. This action will prompt you to select your sound file from your computer. Simply locate the file you prepared earlier and upload it to your Wix Media Manager. This ensures that your audio file is readily available for use on your site. With your sound file uploaded, it's time to add a button to your site. In the Wix editor, look for the Add option, usually represented by a plus sign. Click on it, then go to Button and select Basic Button. You can then drag the button onto your web page. This button is where you'll be adding the sound effect, so feel free to customize its appearance and text. For instance, you might want to label it Click Me or Submit depending on its function. These steps will guide you to successfully integrate a sound effect with a button on your Wix website. With your button customized to your liking and your audio file ready in Wix Media Manager, your site visitors can enjoy an enhanced interactive experience. It's a small step that makes a big difference in user engagement. Enjoy experimenting with different sounds and designs to find the perfect combo for your site.